Students, welcome you all for the semester 2 and welcome you all for the new chapter, that is chapter number 6, that is ratio and proportion. This comes under theme 2. So we are starting with our theme 2, and students, I need you to work hard very well, since I cannot stay in the same chapters for more days like I have done in semester 1, because we need to finish up the portions too. So I need your support. Even you need to be trying the problems of exercise which is there. And then if you have any doubts, please ask me. So that you have already studied about this ratio and proportion in your 6th grade. There was a ratio itself one chapter, proportion itself the other chapter. But in 7th standard, 7th grade, we have ratio and proportion together as one chapter. Now let us go. What do you mean by ratio? You already know. What is the ratio definition? A ratio is a relationship between two quantities of the same kind and same unit, and is obtained on dividing first quantity by the second. See, I will explain you by an example. Okay, weight of the rice or mass, if you consider, in physics also you will be doing. Mass of the rice is 50 kg. Right. Then what about wheat? Mass of the wheat is 20 kg. Understood? It is having mass of 15 kg, weight of what we need 20 kg. You know what is the units here? Unit is kg. Look at here. Relationship between two quantities of the same kind. Now both are of the same kind. Right, what is the same thing? We are looking for only mass, and its units are also same. What are the units? kg. Okay, same unit, and is obtained on dividing first quantity by the second. Now I want a ratio. What will I do? What is the ratio of rice and wheat? First of all, I have to see both are in same units. Yes. If it is both in the same units only, we can have a ratio. That is you all know. And I have to divide first one with the second one. So that is 15 kg by 20 kg. So here kg also gets cancelled. So 5 3s are 5 4s are, that is 3 by 4. Now how to write in a ratio? That is 3:4. See this symbol, it is known as what we mean by is to. Understand? This is what we study in the case of ratio. 3:4. Now what is the ratio of first quantity with the second? That is 3:4. This is what is the concept of what we mean by ratio. We are dividing first quantity with the second quantity. And remember, this should be a lowest fraction. Like in a fraction, when we are cancelling, it should be of the lowest term. Now 3 and 4 cannot be further divided. So this is what the ratio is. Understand? And what is the symbol you already know? The symbol used is, this is known as is to. This is what the concept of ratio. Like same unit is obtained on dividing the first quantity by the second quantity. Both are having units kg and kg. Now, for example, if I take rice 50 kg and distance. What is the SI unit of distance? You studied in physics. Distance is usually measured in meter. Now, I cannot take ratio of rice 15 kg and distance 20 meter. Why? They both are different quantities. One is mass, other is length, that is distance. So we cannot do that. Only when we are doing a ratio, it should be of same units. If you take for example distance is equals to 15 meter, another distance is 20 meter, then I can take, because it is of same quantity and it is having same unit. Then only we will think of a term that we mean by ratio. Understand? So I hope you have understood this introduction part, and this is, we call it as is to. Always we will divide first quantity by the second quantity. So when we are solving the problems, we will be knowing it better. Now we will go on further to the problem session. To convert a fractional ratio into a whole number ratio, this is what we are studying. Look at here, how can you look into it? Fraction ratio. Is to, if it is there, it means it is a ratio. Now I want to convert to whole number ratio. What is a whole number? It's a single number. So take the LCM of 3 and 4. So we know 3 ones are 4. Okay, 4 ones are. So it is 3 into 4. 3 4s is how much? 5. So LCM is how much? LCM is 12. Now take the quantities. 1 by 3 multiply the LCM whatever you get is 2. Again I have 1 by 4 into. Can you see this? Now we just 3 ones are 3 4s are 12. 4 ones are 4 3s are. So it is 4 ones are is 4 is 2 3 ones are is 3. Therefore what is the ratio? 4 is to 3. 4 is to 3 is the ratio. So I just only have to take the LCM when you are converting fractional ratio to a whole number ratio. Now you have got the whole number, that is 4 is to 3. Before it was 1 by 3, it has become 4. 1 by 4 has become. Understand? So in your textbook they have given one more method also, you can try even that. I will show one more method. Only when you have two fractions given, how can you do is that it is 1 by 3 is 2. Is 2 is nothing but divided by 1 by 4. See, division and is 2 is one and the same. Now it comes under fractions. How will you do now? You have 1 by 3, convert to multiplication and reciprocal this term. So you have nothing to cancel. 4 by 3. So this you can write as 4 is 2. You can do one more method only for two fractions. But when it is three fractions, you cannot do. Understand? So you can go with this LCM part, which is very much easy. One more problem I will show you. So first it is a mixed fraction. Obviously, whichever maths part, whenever this will be mixed fraction, convert it to a improper fraction. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1 is 4 by 3 is 2. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 is 2. 6 ones are 6 plus 5 11 by 6. Now what you need to do? You need to take the LCM of 3 4 6. 3 ones are 4. 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 ones are. So we have 3 into 2 into 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. So what is the LCM? LCM is 12. Therefore you take 4 by 3 into 12 is to 9 by 4 into 12 is to 11 by 6 into 12. 3 ones are 3 4s are. 4 ones are 4 3s are. 6 ones are 6 2s are. So what we have here? 4 4s are 16 is to 9 3s are correct. 4 9 3s are 27 is to 11 2s are 22. See, this is the whole number fraction. Just I have taken the LCM of the denominators and I have. Now I hope you have understood what is the introduction part for the ratio as well as the problems. Now we will continue for the next session. Now next we will continue with the problem session. To divide a given quantity into a given ratio. This is another method of type of ratio conversion. What we have in the second. 20 seeds are distributed between A and B in the ratio 2:3. There are 20 seeds which has been given. Among A and B, they are not telling how many numbers they are giving to them. They are telling that in the form of ratio. Like A is getting 2, the B is getting 3. 2:3 ratio. So how many does each get? We need to find out. It's a very simple way to do the problem. This, like we have, whenever you get such type of problem, what you do is that first add the ratio whatever it is being given. So okay, the A and B in the ratio. A and B in the ratio. What is the ratio? It is 2:3. So that you can do as 2 plus 3 is equals to how much? 5. Understand? Now A gets, so how much A gets is 2 divided by 5 into What is the total number of speeds? 20. Understand? Now V gets, how much does V gets? See, 2 by 5 for A, V is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 into total number of speeds. So here 5 ones are 5 fours are 20, right? 4 twos are 8 speeds. So what here we get? So here 5 ones are 5 fours are 20. So 4 threes are 12 speeds. See here. Now add 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8 is how much? 20 speeds. So A is getting 8 speeds, B is getting 12 speeds. If you want to check whatever you have done is properly or not, divide this. See, A is to B. Right, now we have 8, 1, 12. 4 twos are 4 threes are. So what is the ratio? E is to 3. Whatever the answer we have, not even if it is getting matched, and even add the number of speeds. 12 and 8 is giving you how many speeds? 20 speeds. Understand? So whenever this means you are getting in this way, just add the fraction. So add the ratio. So whatever you get, A is 2 by 5, B is 3 by 5 into total number of things whatever you have, you will get the answer. Understand? So one more problem of the same method I am doing here. Look at here we have. Divide 260 among ABC. Now there is along with AB and C in this problem. In the ratio, first they have given fraction. Just now we have done a problem. When a fraction ratio is given, what you need to do? We need to convert to a whole number ratio. How to convert whole number ratio? 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4. So LCM of 2, 3, 4. What is the LCM of 2, 3, 4? So 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. So we have 2 into 2 into 3. 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12. What is the LCM? LCM is 12. So you need to take 1 by 2 into 12 is to 1 by 3 into 12 is to 1 by 4 into 12. So we have 2 ones are 2 six are 3 ones are 3 fours are 4 ones are 4 threes are. So ratio is 6 is to 4 is to. Now we have got whole number ratio. Now you can add like this. Understand? Until always we should have whole number ratio. Now we have 6 plus 4 plus 3 gives you how much? 13. Now how much A gets? A gets, see, 6 by 13 into what is the total amount? We have what? 260. Next, what B gets? B gets 4 by 13. 4 by 13 into 260. What does C gets? 3 by 13 into 260. Look at here. Now do it get 13 ones are 32 are 26, right? 6 twos are 12, so 120 rupees 120. So here 30 ones are 32s are, so 24s are 80 rupees 80. 32s are 22s are rupees 60. So if you add all these three, you will get 260. If you want to see 120 plus 80 gives you 200, 200 plus 60 gives 260. So A is getting rupees 120, B is getting rupees 80, C is getting rupees 60. Understand? See, it's a very simple way of problem. Last year also we have done so many problems like this. If you want to do a ratio, you should be very good in fractions, taking LCM and all those. So that is why I have spent a lot of time in making you to understand what is fractions, decimal fractions, what do you mean the rational numbers, integers, taking LCM, HCF and all. Understand? So if you know this, you can easily do. Now let us see one more two problems and wind up today's class. Now we have our next problem. See, after similar one which we have done last time what we have done addition of the ratio. Now look at the question. Two numbers are in the ratio 10:30. Two numbers. Find the difference between the numbers. We need to find what? Difference. What do you mean by difference? It is subtraction. So the numbers is 48. Find the numbers. So what we will do obviously now? The difference in the ratio. The difference in the ratio. How much is the difference in the ratio? Now 10 is a smaller number, 13 is a greater number. When we are doing the addition, we were doing like 10 plus 13, right? Last problems. But now since it is a difference, a greater number should come first. That is 13 minus 10 is how much? So find the numbers they have given. Okay, first number. When you are doing the first number, see, don't take 13 by 3 first. First number ratio was 10 only, no? So you take 10 by 3 into, what is the number difference between them is 40. What is the second number? The second number is the same, right? 13 by 3 into 48. So 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 8. So 16 tens are is 160 is the first number. Next what I have here obviously 3 ones are is 16. So 16 into 13 into. So 16 into 13, 88 1 can be 100 plus 1 4 into 6 and 1. So 8 6 plus 4 10 and it is 208. Now, whether you have done properly or not, how to check? Difference is 48. So, if you do 208 minus 160, so 8 then 64, we have got 48. So, whatever we have done is perfectly. Understand? This is how you need to do the ratio. Very simple. Difference means whatever the ratio, but remember, greater number you have to take it as first. So, I hope you have understood even this. Next we have, it's a bit a tricky one, but if you understand it is very simple one. So what it is, the ratio between two numbers is how much? 4:5, the ratio. If the LCM is 180, find the numbers. So we don't know the numbers. So consider, let the numbers be 4x and 5x. I will consider the numbers. I don't know what are the numbers. So I am considering 4x and 5x up to what the ratio that will be given. If the LCM is 180, first let us find out the LCM of 4, 5 and x. So what is the LCM of 4, 5 and x is 20x. LCM of 4, 5 is how much? 4 by 5. So it is 20. Along with the even x is there. Therefore, LCM of it is how much? 20x. That is LCM already they have given as 180. Therefore, what is the LCM of the numbers we have taken? Is 20x is equals to 180. Therefore, x is equals to 180 by 20. 2 9s are 80. So what is the x value? X value is nothing but 9. Substitute this x values here. That is, we have taken numbers as 4x and 5x. Correct? So here, in this place of x, substitute this value. That is 4 into 9, 5 into 9. 9 4s are 36. 9 5s are 40. So what are the numbers? The numbers whose LCM is 180 is 36 and 45. 36 and 45 are the numbers whose LCM is how much? 180. Understand? So the ratio between the two numbers is how much? 4:5. So how to do this 4:5? For example, You got the answer. So this is how you need to solve the ratio problems. One more class is enough to complete the ratio in our time, where in between you also have to solve an exercise. Then we can go for what we mean by proportion. Understand? So until then,